Okay, welcome to today's free trading video and market analysis. I'm your host, Kenny, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. Sure, I've had some wild moves lately. We're looking at close on Tuesday of 1168, up 50 points on the day. We have had some extraordinary moves, certainly tradable moves in the market. We'll look at how our portfolios have been handling the recent gyrations and in a second. But the first thing we're looking at here is our proprietary indicators, and we see pretty much self-explanatory. We need to minimize that. There we go. We had certainly bullishness here, a little bit of a divergence there, but ascending, green, green, and we had a higher market. This was Tuesday. I'm sorry. Oh, actually, so used to doing these on Fridays. This is Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday, last Thursday. And then we had some bearishness emerge amidst the gap lower open on Friday. And we did mention that that was a good sell signal around 1210, 1205, I think it was, in the S&P. That actually didn't come to fruition, although we did have accelerating bearishness although mitigated a little bit, was accelerating. And we did have some choppiness here, which would suggest the potential for the neutrality, which we did see ultimately by the close of Friday. None did we expect to see the market do this on Monday once the participants realized that the bill had not passed on the weekend and that the constituencies would certainly be providing their influence over the House. If the bill didn't get passed over the weekend, which it did not, you see this gap lower open on Monday. The fall through moved lower, and once it was realized that the bailout was simply don't even call it a bailout, governmental investment through reverse auction of some stressed assets, wasn't going to pass, then you get this amazing move lower. I think our black portfolio this day went from up $10,000 to right around here up about $50,000, or a 50% gain for our matte black portfolio, one of our most diversified portfolios. We'll look at that in a second. And we did get the subsequent close near the lows. And as to be expected, this was really just a message. The Dow down 777 points on the day. The S&P, I think, down about 70 or 80 on the day. The market has retraced that because, after all, these are market forces and they certainly can work themselves out without a bailout or the government investing. So it's still to be seen what happens, but the markets will, like I said, in a free market society, work themselves out, and that's what we're seeing happen. We did get the snapback retracement move of 50 points in the S&P, and lo and behold, on our indicators on both these days, Friday was, as mentioned, suggesting bearishness, and even more bearishness accelerating on Monday, suggesting that you definitely need to be short the market right at the trend there. Look at that, boom. Same setup as that day, only this one was incredibly profitable. Same exact setup, only accelerating bearishness, and we did get the on a turnaround Tuesday, arguable turnaround Tuesday. We did get some nice bullishness in our indicators, the gap higher open, and once we broke above the trend, it was just a nice little acceleration move. Of course, these look relatively speaking small in nature, but these moves are substantial. To be sure. So there we have it. There's a look at the intraday on Tuesday, the last day of the quarter and month of September. Certainly bullish. Green, 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 green. Now, where the market opens on Wednesday morning remains to be seen, as we certainly haven't made any inroads on the overall bullish case, which we'll go ahead and switch over to look at right now. Pull that up here, right there. We'll go ahead and minimize that, bring that down. Okay, so there we stand. Still bearish on the market. We have been since 1250 on the S&P. The low on yesterday, be it Monday, was 1112.54. So just a few days ago, we mentioned sell the market at 1250. We were still bearish from an official market timing perspective. It was a good selling opportunity for a gain of about 130 points, S&P points, in about 6 days, 5 or 6 days. We'll call it in the S&P Cash Index. Where do we remain? Still bearish. This should certainly read bearish, but it doesn't. We'll fix that. Intermediate term bearish, this should read. Short term bearish, sorry we didn't update those, but as you can see, we have remained bearish overall. Momentum, directional movement, the ATR is skyrocketing at 47.86 given these wild moves of late. And so how have our systems been performing with some of these moves? Well, there's our ES Day Trader 1.0 catching a beautiful move short early Monday at 1190, covering around 1140. Nice 50-point gain. We'll call it 45-point gain. Look at this put buy. Look at this put buy. Bought the puts at 9, sold them at 23 actually, rather than close at 22. Got a better fill. Sold them at 23 for $1,400 gain for OEX options day traders. An astounding 155% return just for Monday. Didn't trade on Tuesday. The Swing System 5.0 long catching some nice winners on the short side Monday, on the long side Tuesday. The grind banging out some beautiful winners, just a beautiful buy, a little bit loss, an amazing astounding short from 1190 covered at 1130. 60-point gain on Monday, September 29th. Just very impressive stuff. 60-point gain there, and another, we'll call it, went long and around 1150. We'll call it 20-point move, netting a little favorable slippage on the trade compared to this. So a very impressive 20-point move. Day Trader 5.0, absolutely smacking it, smacking the YM futures left and right, buy, sell, buy, just absolutely huge moves that we're seeing. Russell Day Trader 1.0, probably one of our oldest systems, itty bitty loss, beautiful short setup from 680, covers at 650 for a $3,000 per contract. Of course, the margin's about $500 per contract on a day trade. $3,000, 30 points on the Russell on that day. So we're actually going to run out of time here, so we're going to go ahead and switch over. We did actually mention the Russell 1.0 last time, and someone wrote in, why not talk about the EMD System 1.0, which has been smacking it. Of course, we've been smacking it here. The Russell System 1.0 books those enormous profits, short from 730, 740 down to 670, so an amazing 70-point move for the Russell there. And the Russell System 2.0, of course, hitting it shorts. We need to hurry up this up. But there's the MD System 1.0. Look at that beautiful short from 790. Now it's 728.50 on that. We're going to go ahead and pull up now, since we're always running out of time, just how the portfolios have been doing. And there you have it. Actually, I think we need to pause this real quick. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. Had to get the right chart up. There we are, an average 2-day return. This is just record-setting stuff, probably. 2-day return of 71.44%, or 23,607.73 as of Tuesday, 9:30 for our 11 futures portfolios that you see here. Capping off the dual day trader, 315% over the last 46 days. 287% for the MAP DT. Our most diversified portfolio, the MAP Black, up an astounding 160% right there. Here's the big day, Monday 9/29, up 46,000. Actually, that was a 47% return. But look at the MAP DT, folks, 95% return for the MAP DT. Just absolutely astounding stuff. The dual day trader up 100%, 99.60%, 49.80 on the dual day trader. If you're interested in either of these portfolios, if you subscribe to 3 of the dual day traders, you do get 1 free. For our new clients, 3 dual day traders, the MAP DT, you can save $300 by entering promo code VIDEO. Wanted to go ahead and get that out of the way because these portfolios are absolutely on fire, up 65% in one day for the Delta DTS, 60% for the Big Brother. Again, another astounding day for the dual day trader on Tuesday, up 43%, 42.7%, leading to some absolutely amazing returns of an average of 71.44%. So there you have it. There's the $4,980 on Monday for the dual day trader, $18,985 for the MAP DT on Monday, $14,000 for the Swinger DT, $46,647 for the MAP Black. So if you guys are interested, just go to the website. You know what to do. If you have any questions, shoot us an email or admin at MiniAnalyst.com, or go to the website and chat with the support team live. We hope you're having a great week. See you next time.